Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone supports split screen and by opening the two apps you'll use. Once done, tap Recent or Overview to show app cards. This puts the apps where you can pin them. Make sure to close resource-heavy apps first so performance stays smooth. You'll act quickly now. Locate the first app's menu or app card because the next step pins it to the top or left and begins the split process. Next, activate split screen by long pressing the app's icon in Recent and choosing split screen, or use the three-dot menu if present. This pins the first app to one side. Then pick the second app from Recent or Home, and it will occupy the other pane. You can drag the divider to resize or snap it into a 1/2 or 1/3 layout, and you'll see why resizing matters. Different tasks need different space to be effective. To finish, drag the divider all the way to the top or side to close split mode, or use the exit option on the Apps menu. This returns you to a single full-screen app. If the split doesn't activate, force close one app and try again, or reboot your phone to clear temporary glitches. Also make sure both apps support split screen. Some video players or games intentionally block it, because compatibility is often why splitting can fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.